mathy time. Did you guys like your math videos? I loved videos whenever I was your age. Whenever my teacher, Miss Rigger, would pull out a big box TV on a cart and put in a VHS video, I knew that day was going to be the best day of the week. And I remember feeling like that, so I know that although you just love hearing my voice go on and on and on, and you love hearing your family's voices go on and on and on, I know that you love hearing someone else's voice. It helps, doesn't it? Sometimes it just helps to hear someone else. Well, you're back to my voice, but only for the papers. We'll still do fun, mathy videos. I keep looking for new ones all the time. So today's paper is called 3 addends. You have done this so many times, this is going to be easy peasy, but look what they're saying to do. They want you to just not be all willy-nilly about it. They want you to use a strategy. You know how ninjas have a strategy to get in and get out really fast without being seen? That's their strategy. It's their plan. They want you to use a plan or a strategy to combine 2 addends first, which we always do. But we're going to really think today. So I'm going to need you to turn on your brain. Who hasn't turned on their brain, by the way? Could you please push pause? Switch your brain on. I'm going to really need you to use it. Now it says complete the addition sentence. Now, I told you I need your help. I need you to use your noodle, your thinker. Now, in the past, we could just go, double, blup, blup. Just do it real quick. But remember, we've been trying to make what? Please don't say, I don't know. You better not. We've been trying to make 10. Dun, dun, dun. Do you see 2 numbers that can make 10? 3 and 7 make 10. The reason we want to make 10 is now if we cover up the 0, we know the answer is 1, 3. That's why we make 10, so we can get so fast at our facts. So sure, you could say, brain, what's 3 plus 3? 6. 6 plus 7. Well, then you're still counting on. You could figure that out quickly. I won't confuse everything by saying how, but what I mean is making 10 is a great strategy. So let's try to make 10 today. Deal? Try to make 10 with me. 3 and 3 can't make 10, but 7 and 3 can. If we make a 10, then all we have to do is use this 1 and put the 3 in the 1's place. This 3. He just comes on up, takes over the 0, and it's 1 in the 10s, 3 in the 1s, 13. Much easier. All right, let's do a strategy here. Remember yesterday what our 10 frame looked like? When we had 6 on it? It looked like this. Don't count that top row, don't you do it. Just say 5. That's what 6 looked like. How many spaces are left over? What is 6 and 4 going to make? Remember I asked you to help me make 10? 6 dots and 4 empty spaces makes 10. Then all I have to do is put the 2 here. 1 in the 10. 2. Look how fast we did that. 2 plus 4 plus 6. If we did that on our fingers or on our counters, we'd be counting all day. But instead, in our brain, we can say, hey, I know 6 and 4 make 10. 6 and 4 make 10, so 10 and 2 more is 12. Easy. Now, you might say, well, Miss Parnell, we can't always make 10. That's true. But there is another strategy. Making 5 is also a great thing to do. I see how 2 of these could make 5. 3 and 2 make 5. In my head, I'm going to think of my 10 frame. And I'm going to think of it with different colors. I like different colors when I'm thinking of things. So let's say that I have my 5 all ready to go. Don't you dare count it. You just fill in the top row. That's 5. Right off the bat, we know 5, bloop, is the top row. But we know that we're going to add 4 to the 5. Well, listen to Miss Parnell on this one. You can imagine what 4 looks like in your head, right? Okay, so imagine 4. If we just plug in 4 dots, there's 1 missing. What number is that? You should just know right in your head. It's 1 less than 10, which is 9. So you can think about the 10 frame in your head. That could be your strategy, like a ninja strategy. So you think in your head, if I can't make 10, can I make 5? Yeah, 5 and 4 more is almost all of the number. Here's the other thing. When you make 9s, remember we learned a strategy for adding 9s? And we always started off thinking 9 is 1 less than 10. So when you think of 5 and 4, think 5 at the top, 4 below, 1 less, so it would be 9. Do you see any strategies? What strategy? What does 9 and 1 make? Ding, 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 10. Now, kick the 0 out and put Mr. 7 there. What's our number? 17. How fast was that, guys? Do you know how long it would take to sit there and do, okay, let's do 9 plus 7. 9, 10, 11, wait, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, my mercy, plus 1 more. You know how long we would be here? Till Christmas. I have things to do. I can't do math until Christmas. I can't do it first grade. Neither can you. You would be so old by then. So let's think of fast strategies. Make 10. 9 and 1 is 10. 10 and 7 more is 17. My word, that was fast. You could amaze people everywhere you go with your amazing brain. If you remember in your little thinker, your noodle, here he's thinking. Make, ding, 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 10. Let's read what this says. What strategies did you use to solve the 3 add-end problems? Well, one strategy we did was, what did we do? Make 10, do, do, do. And another strategy was to make 5. 2 5s equal a 10. Check it out. 2 5s make 10. 5, 5, 10. 2 5s make a 10. Okay, let's read what this says. There's something I want to tell you, but I'm not going to tell you because you're going to freak out. I'll tell you at the end, okay? Because I don't want to worry you. Because you'll say, I can't do that, Miss Parnell. And I'll say, yes, you can. You'll say, no, I can't. I'm too little. I'll say, you're not too little. You can do it. No, I can't do it. Yes, you can. See why I'm not going to tell you? You're already fussing. There's no way I'm going to tell you yet. Okay, let's read the directions. Write the number in each set. Complete the addition sentence. these crayons. I see that each set has 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is like packs of 10, isn't it? Yeah, 5 and 5 is 10. It's kind of like our 10 frame. 5 on the top, 5 below. 5 on the top, 5 below. 3 sets of blank crayons. Well, let's see how many are in each one. 5, 10. 5, 10. 5, 10. So there's 3 sets of 10 crayons. I don't want to sit here and have to count them all. What would be a good strategy to count them? Count by tens. Okay. 10, 20, 30. Boom. 10, 20, 30. Do you know what you just did? You promise not to freak out? Promise? You promise? Okay, then I'll tell you, but you can't freak out. I didn't tell you yet until we were done because I knew you were going to say, I can't do that. I'm not old enough. I just had a feeling that you would say that. You did 10 3 times. You just did multiplication. You did 10 3 times. 1, 2, 3. You did the number 10 3 times. 1, 2, 3. What is 10 times 3? 30. What? Did you just do multiplication? Ah! You've grown up far too fast. I don't like this. You just did multiplication. You just knew 10 times 3 is 30. I don't like any of this. It makes me very upset. Very upset. This better not be more of it. I can tell you that. I'll be very, very frustrated. 3 sets of blank blocks. 3 sets of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5, 5, 5. 3 sets of 5, which is 5 plus 5 plus 5. What could be my strategy to find that answer? What could I count by? 5s. 5, 10, 15. Wait a second. Did you just do multiplication again? You did. You did, didn't you? Look. You did 5 3 times. Oh, I'm very upset. You snuck multiplication in. Don't you know you were supposed to stay with me forever and be in a first grade class family with me? If you're learning multiplication, you're getting too smart. Did you know 5 times 3 was 15? Now you do. You're growing up. 5, 10, 15. 5 3 times is 15. This is getting me very upset, first grade. Quit being so smart. Draw eggs to picture the story. Complete the sentences. This is Juan. It's not Juan. It's Juan. So whenever you see something like that, it says Juan. Juan served 3 plates of eggs. He put 2 eggs on each plate. how many eggs did he serve? Let's see here. There's 3 plates. Check. 1, 2, 3 plates. He put how many eggs on each one? 2. Well, I can do that. 1, 2. You do this with me as well. 1, 2. 2 eggs on each plate. It's a good thing you're with me, that I'm your teacher, because I am a really good artist. Looks like I could just eat those eggs. They're so lifelike. Don't be sad if you're not as good of an artist as I am. I understand that you might be jealous. Now, push pause if you need more time to draw your eggs. So, we got 3 plates with 2 each. Now I got to add all these up. How many are on plate 1? 2. Plus, how many are on plate 2? Plus 2 more. How many eggs are on plate 3? Oops, Ms. Parnell. 2. I got carried away. Plus, oh boy. 2 plus 2 plus 2 equals. Wonder how I could add up all those 2's really fast. I could count by 2's, right? Let me introduce you to the dancing 2's. Remember Jack Hartman? We've been counting him, or counting with him by 2's. 2, 4, 6. 6 eggs. Let's just double check it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What's faster, doing 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, or doing 2, 4, 6? Yeah, counting by 2's is a lot faster. So the answer is Juan served 2 eggs. No, Juan served 6 eggs total. Because you've got to count by 2's. 2, 4, 6. But wait just a second. Did you sneaky sneakersons do multiplication again? If you did, I'm going to be so upset at you. You better not. I think you did. I think you did 2 3 times, didn't you? You did. You sneaky sneakersons. You did 2 3 times. You did multiplication again. What is 2 times 3? 2, 4, 6. Quit sneaking multiplication in. Now this video is getting long, so I'm going to push stop, and your next video is going to do the back. I'll see you on the flip side.